So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download MinGW on Windows 11. So first of all, open any browser on your PC. Now here search for MinGW. Now click on this first link. Click on this download button. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Click on download unverified file. And this will start downloading MinGW. Once done, click on the setup file to install it. Click on install. Click on continue. And this will start installing MinGW on your PC. Now here click on continue. Now here right click on the first package. Click on mark for installation. Now do the same. Now do the same for second. And mark all the packages for installation. Like this. Now here click on installation. And click on apply changes. Click on apply. And this will start installing all the packages. Wait for the process to complete. Once all the changes are applied, click on close. Now close this window. Now after this, open the file explorer on a PC. For this press Windows plus E key on your keyboard. Now here click on local disk C. Here open MinGW. Now here open bin. Now click on the address bar and copy it. Now close this window. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now press Windows key and search for View Advanced System Settings. Press enter to open it. Now here click on Environment Variables. Now under User Variables, select Path. Click on Edit. Now click on New and paste the path. Now click on OK. Now after this, under System Variables, click on Path. Click on Edit. Now here click on New and paste the path. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now click on OK and close the window. And this will install MinGW. To check it, press Windows key, type cmd and press enter to open it. Now here type the command gcc --version. Press enter. And this will show this screen. Now type G++, press space. Now type --version and press enter. And by this, you can verify MinGW is installed. So this I can download and install MinGW on PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.